Oh, what's this? What are these things?
We were poking around in the attic the other day, weren't we?
We were.
We kicked the gimp out the way, and Nan was doing some scones.
That's right.
And I said, do not put that stuff near me scones, Nan.
And why is that?
$65 Paragon FX2.
How good is it?
And do you know the sad thing about this? And I love this bottle because it actually looks like it's from the 70s. No, how if you go to the top, have a look at that. This is one of, if not the original, traction additive, and we used to use this back in the 90s.
What, the 1890s?
And the 1890s, and it was used on foam tires before we even raced rubber. And then we raced rubber tires, and it actually worked on rubber tires as well. It'll melt anything.
That's right. That's right. It'll turn anything into a glue.
Into a glue, doesn't it?
Yes.
So, and it's actually still, I actually saw it in the pits not so long ago.
Oh, really?
But it's actually really, really, and it's got quite a distinct smell.
Yeah.
And it's really freaking dangerous.
Yes.
Like,
well, look at the danger label.
And this is back then. This is back in a time when you could like smoke inside. So imagine, like, it's full flammable. Don't eat it. Don't wash it. Go call an ambulance if you get it on you.
Yeah, that's right.
Or we're just like slapping it on like sunscreen.
Yeah. And then after people realised how dangerous it was, started wearing gloves.
That'll fix it.
Yeah, that's right.
No respirator. Have a look at the price. $65.
Yeah.
Well,
if you want to go fast, you got to spend the bucks.
If you want to go fast, that's right. And there's even
how good is that?
There's even some in there, and this is probably the best juju because it's had 20 years to marinate and evaporate off all the stuff.
That's concentrated, isn't it?
This is one drop will do you.
That's like 1,000 strength.
So this is Paragon FX2. But yeah, so this is one of the.
I just got a whiff of that.
Yeah, takes you back to the childhood, no?
Oh boy,
that is some stinky stuff. But yeah, and this is what we use on our tires. And here's another one. Now this is later, so this one I'd say.
I've got this very quick comment from a person that we may not know, Mr. Andrew Cook.
Okay.
It says, "What do you mean we used to?" That would suggest he still does.
Of course he does. I think he puts it on his. I think Andy puts it on his toast. No.
What, on his waffles?
Yeah.
His Belgian waffles. Cream.
Oh, that's right. You know, of all the people that have queued up in the rain the other day for the souffle pancakes.
Oh yeah.
Andy was there.
He probably was.
Yeah.
I was walking by really quickly because it was torrential. But all those people that were lining up there outside for the pancakes, they must have loved it. So same thing with this, eh?
Yeah. So this was something that we really was really popular, and we've slowly gone away from.
So what's this funkiness you got here?
This is a later evolution.
Right.
And you can tell just by the packaging alone. So this is mid to late 90s.
Right.
And again, very, very serious stuff.
And it's got the sunscreen style
spray thing.
applicator.
Yeah, so you just spray it everywhere. Spray it on the side of your car, on your hands. You just spray it everywhere.
Spray it in your eyes.
In your eyes. So that is some of the measures that we used to use moving forward.
Yeah.
Move forward 30 years.
And we move on to...
Look at this. We've got stuff that... Well, I mean, I wouldn't drink it, but it's biodegradable, it's safe, it's non-toxic.
Yes.
You know, and I'm not saying they're all like this, but this one here, and that is the way of the future as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
And when clubs finally work out about the duty of care and everybody there, I think this will be definitely the way forward.
Well, particularly the really young kids, I'll worry about them. If they're like handling all that crazy stuff we used to do.
Even just picking up tires and stuff. I mean, it never damaged me apart from I've got no hair on one side of my body.
You're not damaged at all. I can vouch for that.
Broken goods.
Yes. That's
so
right.
Anyway, and you can see like realistically, like side on side, it hasn't really changed much. It's still the fur on a stick.
Yeah. It's got the fur on the stick.
We still use it the same way.
There's the fur.
That one's practically not like the Vietnamese suit.
I could do with one of them right now.
Mm. So we got the fur on a stick.
Yeah.
And we put it on the same way.
Yeah.
But yeah. So how times have changed. I just wanted to, because this is quite a keepsake, and I think that this is going to go into the display cabinet.
Well,
unless Andy Cook comes in and finds it and he wants to buy it. It is for sale, $65.
And you'll put it on his 1000 concentrator stuff, and it'll be the fastest in the world.
Probably could use it at Geelong.
It could.
Probably be the only thing that works.
You only need like one drop of it.